This easy sew sundress tutorial has a free pattern to download and step-by-step instructions so you can make this sweet dress. This easy to make baby clothes pattern is perfect for summer. For this tutorial, you will need the following: 1/3 yard of jersey knit fabric, preferably with lycra, sewing essentials like pins, threads, sewing machine, that sort of thing, and of course Fleece Fun's free pattern that's available on fleecefun.com. You will need to assemble the free sewing pattern. Cut out the following for the baby dress. Cut 2 on the fold of the bodice and cut 2 skirt panels. Cut strips of jersey knit across the grain that are 1 1/4 wide and long enough to bind the neck and 2 arm openings. Seam allowances are 3/8 of an inch. Use a ballpoint needle for sewing knits and a stretch stitch on the sewing machine or serger. Hem the top stitch with a stretch stitch or a double needle. With the right sides together, pin the front and back at one shoulder, stitch together. Stitch the binding to the right side of the baby knit sundress neckline, right sides facing. Stretching the binding very gently, do not stretch the neckline. Wrap the binding around the seam allowance to the wrong side and press. Top stitch the binding in place along the edge, being sure to catch the raw edge of the binding strip on the back. Carefully trim the excess binding on the wrong side. With right sides together, sew the second shoulder seam to the baby sundress. Bind the 2 arm openings in the same manner as you did the neckline. Next, sew the side seams right sides together. With right sides facing, sew the side seams of the skirt. Press up 1 inch from the bottom edge to the wrong side of the hem. Top stitch the hem in place. Sew 2 rows of basting stitches along the top edge of the skirt. Pull the bobbin threads to gather the top edge of the skirt so that it is the same length as the lower edge of the bodice. With the right sides together, pin the skirt to the lower edge of the bodice. And sew. And that's it. You've completed the sundress tutorial. It makes this really cute baby sundress, perfect for summer.